If there was a place that required a serious makeover at our home, that was our master bedroom. This is not going to be a huge makeover in the sense that we will not be changing any furniture, but we'll try to make the room cozy by changing the soft furnishings and adding few decor items. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first day, we decided to do the deep cleaning and started off by removing the bed sheets and curtains. We also decided to move the mattress to other room during the cleaning process so that it won't get dirty. But it was quite heavy and we literally struggled to move the same. It's a small room with a dimension of 11 by 12, and for the same reason we had to make sure that it shouldn't look congested. So we decided to change the position of the cot since we felt the current position was kind of congested, and I have to admit that it was a good move. Today is the second day and wanted to do a makeover for the wardrobe. But this is an old style of wardrobe with the normal hinges and we were not sure what to do with that. So we decided to paint the edges with brown shade since the theme of the bedroom is going to be beige and brown color. The mirror's position is kept at this side of the wardrobe since we should not place mirror in front of the bed as per Vastu. We planned to make this the accent wall and thought of applying wallpaper initially. But then this shelf was already there and it would have looked odd if we placed the wallpaper. So we dropped that plan and decided to add some plants and decor items to this shelf itself. Kids love reading books before sleeping, so keeping few of their books also here. If you are planning for a room makeover, you can try making one wall as the accent wall by applying wallpaper or painting it with a different color. We plan to utilize this corner shelf near mirror by placing creams and lotions since it was adjacent to the mirror. I am reusing these food parcel containers as a holder for keeping these items. So painting it with black acrylic paint. And that golden edge was looking classy with that. Keeping everything in these holders will make our cleaning task also easier. Kept MI smart speaker as well here. Below the shelf I placed the small chest of drawers from IKEA. Most of you would already know that I love DIYs and I bought this to keep all my craft related items. I intentionally bought this white since I plan to do a complete makeover for our bedroom in future in a white theme. The space next to that is utilized to keep a small table and chair for my husband's workspace. Since most of us work from home nowadays, this area will be utilized well. The wall above that was looking empty, so thought of doing a DIY by reusing old cake board base. If you're like me having zero painting skills, decoupage technique comes to rescue. It's super easy and I have a separate video uploaded where I had explained the whole process in detail. So please watch that video in case you're interested to know more about the decoupage technique. Here I am using 3 cake board base, few decoupage napkins and glue. Tearing the edges so that we get a smooth finish and pasting it on the board with the help of the glue. Decoupage is the art of decorating an object by gluing colored paper cutouts onto it in combination with special paint effects, gold leaf and other decorative elements. adding some details with watercolors. Finally, applying one more coat of decoupage glue. Kept those on the wall with the help of double-sided tape. Kept a laundry basket at the space of the wardrobe. This space was meant to keep a TV unit in future. Right now, no budget for buying a TV, so keeping some soft toys. Today is the final day and started off by putting curtains. We selected this beige color curtains, normal one and sheer curtains. Room will look brighter with light colored curtains itself. Next, we changed the old mattress protector and put this new one. This is waterproof and is really useful if you have babies at home. Since the theme is beige and brown, I try to mix and match the bedsheet, pillows, cushions and comforter with these colors. For flat sheets, tying a knot like this at all four corners will help in keeping the bedsheet in place. Please check the description for product links in case you are interested to buy. Finally, place these nice bedside runners on both the sides. There was no space to keep a bedside table, so kept the small table and snake plant on top. It's an excellent indoor plant and is good for air purification. Kept this tall fiddle leaf fig at this corner as well. And here is the final reveal for you all to enjoy. Decorating a bedroom is no easy task, and there is a lot more to consider than you would in a room which is used less often in your home. You want to create a calm and relaxing atmosphere in your bedroom that is conducive to a peaceful sleep. Hope this video was useful and gave you some helpful tips in decorating your bedroom as well. Please drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback in this makeover. Also, don't forget to show your love and support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.